What's up, guys? So today we are going to be playing Animal Company with Bigbackmax.
Hello.
And no, I'm not new to this game. I've been playing for kind of a while now. Well, not really like a while, but like I've been playing for a couple, like maybe a month now. And don't ask how I got this much. It's because people were actually like, I didn't even mind. I didn't even mind like at all to get 94,000. I just
they're doing a glitch.
Yeah, I didn't mind. I just waited for them to come back, and then but now we're just here with Bigbackmax. But first, let's let them hear my beautiful singing.
Please subscribe to Gold and Bigbackmax VR. Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna actually play the game now. Wow. Guys, this is like me trying to run from Bigbackmax's basement, but he doesn't let me.
That's private.
Oh, yeah, it's private. Okay.
A piece of bread this week.
No, please, Bigbackmax, can I please come out of the basement just to get bread?
No,
I escaped the basement yesterday, actually. I'm in Lola's basement.
You escaped?
I'm in Lola's basement.
Lola? Alright.
Yeah.
Wait, should I record?
You were eating
we
things.
Do a very cinematic intro.
You were eating things like usual Big Backs do, and then
wait, I can actually be a big back. Wait, hold on.
No, don't put on the crystal. Don't put on the crystal. He's gonna put on the crystal. Are you gonna be like your final form, like Lola was or something? It was like God VR or Caleb. I forgot who it was.
No, it was Caleb.
Yeah, it was Caleb.
I'm not putting on a crystal. Don't worry.
How do you change your body to be a crystal or something like that? Like, bro was in his forms.
I don't know. It was a glitch.
How many glitches are there? No! You're not a big back.
I'm a big back now.
Oh, yeah, you are now. Okay. So, I'm gonna be... Let's go now.
Yeah.
Guys, Animal Company is just so easy now with the grapplers. Bro, I died! What? Oh my gosh, that was so cool. What? Bro, what?
Did you?
Bro, I can't.
Missed.
Hey guys, Bigbackmax, there's something I didn't share with you. I am also built like Queso. I am also built like Queso.
Frog fit.
Wear that fit, please. Please, not the frog. Let's go. Let's just play. Grappler, never mind. Every time I play Animal Company with this guy, I say wait for me because I never have a grappler.
No, one of my nose. Those are boring.
But then this time I actually have a grappler.
Wait, I gotta get my whoopee cushion up.
How about you do all the mining and I'll just like do nothing.
I'll get my
Did they update the map? Did they update the map?
What?
Stop. Did they update the map? Because like it was like different this way.
Well, they updated the layout.
Yeah, I know.
They update the layout every update.
Wait, but if the spider's here, then what are we supposed to... Wait, mining things.
This is the real way. I don't want to mine those. Those are not worth it to mine.
What are you doing, bro?
Appreciate it. I'm mining deep. I'm taking it all from you.
I keep thinking like... Oh, that's what I like, bro.
Hey. Oh wait, I don't think you've seen the one of the Don't make fun of me, it's not very...
Don't make fun of you for being little Jim Bob.
You start Lil Jim Bob!
But little did you know, I'm
What's up,
gonna
Lil
eat
Jim
your
Bob?
bag.
Wherever you go,
Flash tap. Flashback to my 3 other die with a smile in it. What the heck? Who
Why
is
are
this
there
guy?
2? There's 3! Oh, there's 3. Who's this? This guy's red.
Who is this
They
guy?
all died. Because of me. I killed all 3 of them.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna
I didn't do anything. Oh, stop farting. Yep.
Alright. Alright, fighty, right. Oh, it's over here. It's over here. You know the correct way to go because the danger sign.
Yeah.
Hey.
I know the correct. It's sad that I know the correct way to go because of the danger sign.
Oh, there's the mimic. Just gonna go here. Wait, this isn't the correct way to go. But let's just go here anyways. Forgot what's over here. Oh crap! Don't go close to. Don't. Bro, what did you do?
I didn't.
I just.
What? Ah! Ah! Ah!
Yeah, I'm gonna stay over here. I'm good.
I'm actually gonna die.
I'll save you. Big
Ah!
to the
Bro, I
rescue.
died! I died! Yeah, but if we go in here, we can't come out.
Haha, this gives you free money if you step on it. Wait, pick up that. Pick up my,
You
I
thought.
do not explode.
Wait, I thought but if we go in here, we can't come up. Do you really want to do this?
We can.
How?
You want to do a full run, or do you want to
How?
just
How?
explode
How do
a
we
little
come
bit
up?
and then
How do we come
teleport
up?
back? There's a teleporter. Do you want to do the full sewers run, or do you want to come back after a little bit?
I like the red light, green light. You ready? Oh my. You're dumb. I just like completely jumped on you.
Practicing my opera.
Oh my gosh, these chickens are so.
Wait, turn around. Chicken, turn around. Okay. Bro, the chicken hit me. That's kind of messed up.
That's mean, man.
Yeah!
They actually kill you.
Yeah, when it's in the dark, they hurt me. You just hurt me again.
They're meanies.
Bro, he's attacking me!
Bro, grapple.
I'm gonna kill this goofy with no ring on Skibby. That's all.
Oh my gosh.
No, goofy
Okay, let's go.
with no
Let's go. Let's go. You know what to do if we get seen failing the red light, green light. You know what to do.
Okay, don't move. If you accidentally move when it's red light, just grapple to the ceiling. It's pretty easy.
Nuh-uh. What?
That's what.
Where are you?
I just got shot by an eyeball.
I believe it when I see. Don't mind what this. Are you coming? It's gonna be fine. Come on.
Uh-oh. Don't worry, I'll just go over here. Just don't mind me. My bad.
How do I get myself?
Get your stuff. Right there. Run, green light. Yeah, don't worry. Where's my...
Get it.
I'm
Get
saving
it.
your life, bro.
Got it. I'm like Spider-Man, bro.
Oh, drop it down to me.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh,
Get it.
here. Right over here. It's right here. Right here. Alright. I'll get your backpack, don't worry. Hopefully it doesn't despawn. Backpack right here.
Where are
Over
you?
here. Over here.
How do I get out of this?
You gotta move out of the way so you don't. Kill you.
How? Oh my gosh, that was so cool. What? Okay, well, where's my stuff? Where's my stuff?
Oh, right here. He's about to spawn back, so
should
you
probably
gotta
get
get
quick.
I don't know.
Don't touch the tentacle! Don't touch the tentacle. This red thing, don't touch it. I'll immediately kill you.
Where is it?
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Where is it?
Here's your pickaxe right here. Pickaxe.
I just need a grappler.
And grappler's probably on the roof. No, you're on the thanks, red light. You're not forgiving me.
Bro, where is my grappler?
Right here. Turn around. Chicken. Alright. I don't care if it turns red and... Okay. Don't touch the tentacles with all your will. Just not touch the tentacles. Come through this little gap. Oh, just try to avoid. That's all. The only like. All right, you're good. That took forever.
Bro, what?
Bye.
Bro, I can't. Now playing Animal Company.
There is no effing way. That is the second time I died with a goddamn grappling hook.
But you
Carrying gold.
You were here.
In Animal
You were
Company.
here. You were here.
I've been here.
Carrying gold rose VR
Where
in
were
Animal Company.
you?
That's gonna be
Carrying
gold rose VR.
Okay, guys. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys loved the enjoyment of
Alright, I'm back.
Bigbackmax,
Tell me
of
now.
me not knowing what to do, dying a million times, and Bigbackmax was carrying me. So, guys, I hope you loved that video. So, goodbye.